Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use coins on AliExpress, right? So make sure your AliExpress mobile application is updated, right? And we will open this AliExpress mobile application here. This is the home page, the interface. So in the bottom right side corner, you will see this profile icon, right? Just click over here. Once you click on this, on the top, you will see this option choice and coins. Just click on the coins, right? Once you are here, just wait for a few seconds, right? And here all your coins will be available here. If you want some other coins, you can just click on collect, right? So every day you get around 30-40, right? So in this much coins, right? Once you have collected your coins, now I will show you how to use your coins. Right here you can say this is the coins. 20 coins is equal to $0.20, right? You can say it 2 cents. For example, I will add this product to my cart, right? Once you add the product in the cart, just open your cart, right? And here we will press on checkout. And once we are into the checkout, we will get our option to spend our coins, right? So make sure you have coins before, then only you can use your coins and you will get some kind of discount. And after that, you can use it while placing this order, right? So this is easy. I hope you found this video very useful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel.